Good evening, Suhas, Hita, Maulya, Munisha, Shivraj, Jagasutan, Rajwal, Shaswini, Arun, Soumya, Pratiksha, Chetana, everyone. So, yeah, Suhas, I thought like I forgot something, but let it be now. I'm live. I can't go. Okay, so Vinayak, hi. I didn't understand your language, but still I said hi in return. Okay, so good evening, guys. So, as you know, I'm the person responsible for your biology classes. So, according to your knowledge, we have already completed like a few of the concepts from the human reproduction, and we have completed menstruation. But today we are going to finish it off completely. Okay. So please have your patience, and whatever confusions or doubts you have regarding menstrual cycle, please feel free to ask them. Good evening, Gopika, Ashwin, YouTube Devils, and Kiran DH. Please welcome all your other friends also. Okay. क्या करें सुहास? I really forgot. I don't know where I kept my spectacles, but it's okay. I have to go out of the room. I think that's in the hall. I was watching TV in the early morning. It's okay. So, as you know, today we are going to revise a little bit regarding the menstruation because I know I went really fast in the last class. So, in one or two slides, I will revise all the concepts and then we will move ahead. Okay. So, before starting with the class, let me just take the technical check. Okay. So if you have any technical issues, any kind of internet issues, just please let me know. And I want everyone to be super active here. Why strength is not exceeding 65 today? Usually it will be 90, right? 85 to 90. Ask your friends to join the class. Class has already started. Okay, guys. So I think there is no any network issues. Ma'am, who will give signal to hypothalamus to produce the gonadotropin releasing hormone? Wow, Munisha. Beautiful question. I'll answer that. Okay. So let me end this. I'll answer Monisha. Okay, because when you're going to revise there, yes. So let's move ahead and start with the class. Good evening, Somu. So this is your first question that is given on the screen. Okay. So the first menstruation is also known as menopause, primary menstruation, periods. Okay, so I'm launching the poll for this question. It's very easy and straightforward questions. I'm expecting correct answers from I wait a guys, wait a minute. Yeah. Now answering the poll. Very good. I'm getting correct answers in the comments. So till now, how many people have answered? All of them are correct. Vinayak, will you please change your Roman alphabetic letters to English, please? Because I'm not understanding what are those wordings. Okay. Yes, Ashwin, Gopika. I want answers from other people also. But the answers are correct. It's very easy one. Last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Okay. Last 2 seconds. I'm ending the poll now. All of you are correct. Yeah. Yes. No, Suhas. Still, it is not 100% correct. I asked such a easy question. You see here. Okay. So 83% people have chosen option A, and 7% people have chosen option B, and 55% people has chosen option C and D. So let me just stop sharing things and let's discuss. This is easy question. There is nothing much, but still. Okay. So the first menstruation refers to what? See, first menstruation refers to the puberty. Okay, so at the time of puberty in the girls, nearly from the age group of between like 11 to 15 years. Okay, so from here, what happens? The secondary sexual characters will start. Okay, so those secondary sexual characters is also one of the indication that girl is attaining the puberty. Okay, so puberty means what? The first thing that should come on your mind is menstruation. Okay, the girl is starting to have her menses. Like if I tell you, there will be a monthly cycle. Okay, so monthly cycle. So this monthly cycle has 4 phases. You have already studied that, but still, this monthly phases is, other than that, we can also call it as menstrual cycles. Okay, so monthly cycle, menstrual cycle is one and the same. And don't get confused between menstruation, menses, and all these things. Okay, so menses or menstruation or all refers to the only one thing, that is in common we call it as periods, where actually menstrual flow happens. Okay, so first menstruation is actually in biology termed as menarche. Okay, so I had told you menarche is the term that is referred to the beginning of the periods, or you can say beginning of the menstrual cycle. Okay, so menarche refers to the beginning. Okay, then menopause is obviously it refers to the stopping. Okay, so this stopping of menstruation actually is seen in the age group of people between 45 to 55, when actually hormonal, working system will be a little bit imbalanced. Along with that, the number of follicles present in the ovary will be minimized. Okay, so a number of follicles will be less. Okay, number of follicles present in ovaries is less, very, very less. Okay, so menopause is really not the answer for this question. Then primary menstruation. Have you heard of primary, secondary, tertiary, or quaternary? See, there is nothing like that. There is only one menstruation which starts, in the age of 11 to 15 group people. It's just given to confuse you guys. Okay, periods is the common term that is used for the bleeding, or you can say the menses. Okay, so as you know, answer for this question is okay. Somu is asking what is meant by cramp. See, Somu, what happens at the time of menstrual cycles? Okay, there will be a hormone released from the uterus called as prostaglandin. Those hormones will actually help in the uterine contraction. Okay, so when the uterus contract, the endometrium lining of the uterus will start to shed. Okay, वो क्या होता है, वो टूटने लगता है. यूजुअली देखो बेटा, एंडोमेट्रियम में भी कुछ 2 लेयर्स और होते हैं, मैंने आपको बताया नहीं, क्योंकि आपके सिलेबस के लिए एंडोमेट्रियम काफी है. ठीक है, क्योंकि मैं ज्यादा बोलूंगी तो आप लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे, मैम ने अरे कुछ और बोल दिया बोल के. ओके, आई विल जस्ट से इट वर्बली. ओके, सो स्ट्रैटम फंक्शनैलिस एंड स्ट्रैटम बेसालिस. ओके, सो ऐसे 2 होते हैं, उसमें फंक्शनैलिस तो पूरा गिर जाएगा, बेसालिस विल बी प्रेजेंट एज द बेस. सो वो बेस होता है. ठीक है, अभी मेंस्ट्रुएशन हो गया तो स्ट्रैटम के सारे चले जाएंगे सेल्स, तो बेसालिस से फिर नया एंडोमेट्रियम के सेल्स बनेंगे. So like this, it will be recycling. Okay, so cramp means at the time of contraction in the uterus, the stomach in the abdomen, it will be very painful. Okay, at the time of menstruation, the girls feel sudden, like sudden jolts. मतलब एकदम से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है तो वो कुछ पकड़ लेता है पेट में, ऐसा लगता है कि अरे कुछ पकड़ लिया. ठीक है, कुछ कुछ गर्ल्स को मैंने देखा है when I was in JNV, मतलब they were literally ma'am something is holding in uterus. So I told them nothing is holding, it's just a contraction, just bear with it. Okay, so that is called cramps. Okay, stomach ache is different, cramp is different. Cramp is this sudden jolt, suddenly ऐसा लगता है कुछ पकड़ लिया, उसको बोलते हैं cramp. Okay, there's a next question on the screen. How many ova are released during the middle of the menstrual cycle? Okay, so options are 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a very easy question again on the screen. I'm launching the poll. Very good, Nandish. What about YouTube people? I haven't seen Anu in YouTube. Are you there? I'm expecting answers. Last 30 seconds. Yes, Ashwin. Nice. Last 1 second. I'm ending the poll now. Ma'am, is it third chapter? Yes, Atharva, this is third chapter. We are going to finish off this third chapter in the next week. Like today, we are going to finish off menstrual cycle. Tomorrow, we will finish the fertilization. Next Tuesday, we will finish the implantation process. Then again, on the Wednesday, pregnancy and sorry, what is that? Pregnancy and embryonic development. And the other 2 days, that is Friday and Saturday, parturition and lactation. Okay, so next to next week, we are going to start the reproductive health. Okay, Atharva? Yeah. So 83% people have chosen option A, 16% people have chosen option B, और एक ही बच्चे ने ठीक है सी को चूज किया है पता नहीं कहाँ से 6 वोवा आएंगे मीन थ्री या वोवा आएंगे but still there might be an exception, who knows, exception always appears. So how many vova are released? So what is first vova? Okay, so vova means nothing but refer to the ovum. Okay, ovum or vova तो बात का term है भाई उससे पहले you should recognize that this question is talking about secondary oocyte which is released at the time of ovulation from mature Graafian follicle, from mature Graafian follicle. Okay, so Graafian follicle in the ovary. फिर Graafian follicle से बाहर मतलब again out of the ovary. Okay, so from Graafian follicle it is going to be released out. So how many secondary oocyte are released during the middle of the menstrual cycle? So middle refers to what here? Middle refers to nothing but ovulation. Okay, because I think you remember the phases in monthly cycle, right? So always the first phase will be the menstruation phase, menses phase. The second phase will be a follicular phase. Okay, follicular phase. And the third will be ovulation phase. And the last will be the luteal phase. Okay, so last will be the luteal phase. I hope you remember this. So this ovulation happens in the 14th day in a category of 28 days of cycle. Okay, 28 days का cycle है तो 14 day ovulation का date रहेगा. Okay, तो ये middle date है एकदम. Okay, so this is a middle day. So this is called during the middle of the menstruation. So I had told you we females has two ovary. One is in the left and the another one is in the right. Okay, so this here will be joining with the fallopian tube and there will be a uterus. So in this, there will be many folliculogenesis happening. That means follicles are growing and developing. So eventually from primary oocyte, it is getting a meiotic divided. Okay, meiotically divided into secondary oocyte. So that secondary oocyte is actually arrested at the metaphase 2 of the meiosis 2 division. So I hope you remember that. Okay, so ये जो है ना एक बार लेफ्ट से होता है another time it might happen from right side. Okay, but this might happen alternatively or sometimes 2 to 3 times back from the left and from the right. But the one condition that should be present is only one egg will be matured and it is released out. Only one, either from left or from right. Okay, so one. So 2, 3, 4, these are all wrong. Okay, there might be an exceptions. Okay, sometimes two might occur, but that is a very rare condition. Okay, so I hope this is very easy. I'm actually Srinidhi, if we say specifically, yes, but see, VOVA many a times refer to the secondary oocyte only. Okay, so मतलब scientifically एकदम क्या कहते हैं condition से देखो तो गलत है क्योंकि here they should ask secondary oocyte, but they won't ask it like this. They will ask egg, they will ask ovo. So then also the answer is this one. Don't get confused. When semen is released by the penis into the vagina during copulation, then it is called ovulation, insemination, menstruation, gametogenesis. Gametogenesis. Nandish answer the questions very fast, like हमेशा पहले रहता है. I have launched the poll. Please make sure to answer your questions in the poll also. Yes, Likita, it is correct. Yes. People can answer in YouTube also. I'm waiting for the answers. Your 1 minute is done. I'm ending the poll now. Okay, so let me share the results. So 81% people have chosen option B, and 11% people have chosen option A, and 5% people have chosen option D, 4% people have chosen option C. This is also one of the easy questions. Today I have asked very direct questions. Okay, but still many people are unable to answer it properly. When semen is released by the penis into the vagina, this process is commonly termed as sexual intercourse. है ना? तो commonly इसको क्या कहते हैं हम लोग sexual intercourse. So what are the other terminologies for sexual intercourse? Very good, Ashwin and Gopika. So other terms are like you can call as insemination. Okay, coitus, population, all are one and the same. Just remember these three terms. Okay, so this all is referring to the sexual intercourse. Okay, so here during copulation they have given so two more terms remaining, insemination and coitus. Just look, they have given insemination, then B is the answer. Then why not ovulation? You know, ovulation is the process of release of secondary oocyte when at the time of ovulation. ठीक है, तो वो दूसरा है. Secondary oocyte is released out of ovary. Okay, so released from ovary. So this is different. Then what is menstruation? So this is wrong. The ovulation is nowhere related with the what is that sexual intercourse. Menstruation is what? Menstruation is nothing but loss of menstrual fluid at the very beginning of the monthly cycle or menstrual cycle. Okay, so this is referred to the menses, or in common terms, if I say this is referred to the periods. Okay, so this is referred to the periods. Okay, this is wrong. Then gametogenesis, this is very easy. I had told you gametogenesis is the process of formation of gametes. Gametes like sperms or ootate or ovum or egg. You can say any of the term. Okay, so here you can split the term. Genesis means synthesis. We have talked about it many times. And gameto means nothing but it's referred to gamete. Okay, so अगर gamete ही नहीं है तो कहाँ से population होगा भाई? For the fertilization to happen, there should be a formation of gametes, right? So this is also nowhere related with the insemination. So this was easy. Okay, so now we are going to revise the last class concepts which we had done. Okay, because this is very important. Okay, so this is very important. Please don't have any doubts in your mind. Whatever it is, please make sure to ask. Okay, so now you can look at this diagram. Okay, so first thing, you tell me what are the phases. Okay, what are the phases that you see? Okay, I had told you in the ovarian cycle. So in the ovarian cycle, what do you see? You see 3 phases, right? Which are those? Can anybody tell me? Here it is written. Okay, proliferative phase. Okay, then here will be the ovulation and then secretory phase along with menses. So, sorry, I'm talking about uterine, right? Okay. So uterine is referring to the menses, proliferative, ovulation, and secretory. Then which are the ovarian cycles? Ovarian cycle is nothing but proliferative phase, ovulation, luteal phase. So this you remember, right? So both of these includingly or togetherly called as the menstrual cycle. Now, so what happens in the menses? So what happened exactly in the menses? So can anybody tell me? So menses में क्या होता है? Endometrium sheds. Okay. So endometrium shed. Along with that, it will be having unfertilized ovule. Sorry, unfertilized oocyte. Unfertilized oocyte. Okay, so along with this, what will be the hormone conditions? Come on, tell me somebody in the chat box. What about the progesterone and estrogen? Will they be high or low? I'm waiting. Very good, Monisha. Any other? Hey, Likit, you got confused, beta. Likit and Harsha got confused. Low, low, low. You can look here. You can look here. See, this is the menses, right? So in the menses, all of them are very low. सब कुछ यहाँ पे चिपका हुआ है ना? So all the hormones are relatively low in the menses. Nothing is happening. Okay, but still sometimes there will be a hormonal imbalance which leads to the mood swings. That is a different scenario. Okay, so सारे hormones क्या हैं? Less. Okay, so this is about the menses. Then what happens in the next phase? Let me write here, follicular phase. Okay, so in the follicular phase, what are the scenario that is happening here? Folliculogenesis happens. Okay, so folliculogenesis happens. Okay, so folliculogenesis means what here? Growth of the follicle will happen. See, okay, it starts with the menses and यहाँ पे देखो बेटा, so this is happening. Initially, it will be primordial follicle. From that primary, then secondary, tertiary follicle will come, and then tertiary follicle will get mature Graafian follicle. So in that, from primary oocyte, it will get first meiotic division completed. That is, it will come up to the secondary oocyte. Okay, so here folliculogenesis happens. So these follicles which develop, it will give rise to a cells, type of cells called as granulosa cells. So these cells are actually responsible for releasing an hormone called as, yes? Anyone? Estrogen, right? So estrogen. So now what happens? This estrogen will indicate or it will give the signal to whom it will give the signal to the anterior pituitary gland. Okay, so this gland will secrete the, yes, nobody is writing in the chat box. It will secrete the, yes, luteinizing hormone. It will secrete the luteinizing hormone. Now comes the third part. Okay, so which is the third part? That is ovulation. Okay, so the third part is ovulation. So what happens in the ovulation? So in the ovulation, surge of LH. Surge of LH मतलब sudden increase in the luteinizing hormone. तो यहाँ पे LH release हुआ है by the sending signal. Estrogen send करता है signal for the pituitary gland. That pituitary gland will release the LH. Okay, so this LH will suddenly increase. That will lead to the rupture in the Graafian follicle. Rupture करके the secondary oocyte is released out. So this part is called as what? Ovulation. Okay, so this is ovulation. Here the hormones including is nothing but LH. Okay, now this LH will also poke, or it also induces the corpus luteum. Abhi dekho beta, when the ovulation is done, then what is remaining? The ruptured Graafian follicle that remains. Okay, so that Graafian follicle, okay, so I will write here, ruptured Graafian follicle will be actually getting signals from whom? From LH. Okay, so this LH is very important here. So this LH also helps in ovulation, and also it gives signal to the ruptured Graafian follicle saying what? देखो बेटा, अभी तुम ना और 2-3 हार्मोन रिलीज करो. कौन से हार्मोन? The first one is progesterone. Okay, so the first hormone is progesterone, which is secreted in the very higher amount, and the second hormone is estrogen, okay, which is secreted comparatively lower. Progesterone में बहुत ज़्यादा, estrogen थोड़ा कम, लेकिन वो भी release होता है. Along with that, in some cases, inhibin also. Okay, inhibin also released. Actually, somebody asked me yesterday, I think Bhairavi, I guess. Bhairavi, did you ask the function of inhibin? See, inhibin का एक ही काम होता है बेटा, to give the negative feedback signals. Okay, here this inhibin does that job. I will tell you that. Okay, so these are the 3 hormones that are actually secreted by the corpus luteum. So I will write here, these are secreted by the corpus luteum. So this corpus luteum will actually secrete these hormones. Okay, did you understand this process? Did you understand this? Now what happens if pregnancy occur? Okay, if pregnancy occur, I'll write here. If pregnancy occur, corpus luteum is maintained. Okay, then corpus luteum is maintained. Why it is maintained? For the release of progesterone. I had told you, right, pregnancy hormone is actually progesterone. It is called as pregnancy hormone. Why? Pregnancy is indicated by progesterone, and there is another hormone called as HCG. वो भी indicate करता है. Okay, corpus luteum is maintained for the release of progesterone. For the release of progesterone. Okay, so remember this. If pregnancy doesn't occur, if pregnancy doesn't occur, then what happens? Progesterone, estrogen, and inhibin, all of these, hormone levels will get down. Okay, so all of those will get down here. You can see here. Okay, when all the levels are low, then what happens? Again, menses starts. Again, menstruation starts. Okay, if pregnancy occurs, then what happens? This progesterone is maintained. Okay, and even estrogen is maintained. Yes, maintain होते जाता है बेटा. This loop will not come down. But if fertilization doesn't happen, the lady is not pregnant, then all of this will go down. Okay, so levels of progesterone and estrogen. Did you understand this? Do you have any doubts here? Yes. If you don't have any doubts, then let's go ahead, move ahead. Okay, so now let's little bit talk about the hormonal regulation. This is also revision. I did that in the last class. Okay, so hormonal regulation. So now here I have given two charts in front of you. So among these two charts, this first chart actually refers the proliferative phase and follicular phase. Follicular and proliferative phase. So menses में देखो बेटा कोई hormone action नहीं रहता, everything will be very low. Okay, so whatever happens, that happens between these three phases: follicular, ovulation, and luteal. Okay, so here I will be writing about the ovulation. Okay, matlab here, and then again this diagram refers to the luteal, or also called as secretory phase. Okay, now. You can look here. Hypothalamus is like the president, as I have told you. Somebody asked me the question, ma'am, you know, hypothalamus is the one that is giving signals. Okay, so hypothalamus is like the president, then anterior pituitary gland is like the prime minister. So I had told you, so all these things, right? Look, somebody asked me who gives signal to hypothalamus. See, who elects president? Public, right? So that public is the one which gives signal to hypothalamus. Like here, that public refers to the neurosecretory cells. Okay, neurosecretory cells. Neurosecretory cells. और in other terms, मतलब एकदम समझने आने की भाषा में बोलो ना बेटा तो neurons. Okay, neurons will give signals to the hypothalamus saying that beta, now you release the gonadotropin releasing hormone. Okay, so this hypothalamus will release a hormone called as gonadotropin releasing hormone. That hormone will, initiate the anterior pituitary gland. So this gland will first in the follicular phase, what it will release? Someone tell me, someone in the chat box. In follicular phase, we're talking about follicular. So anterior pituitary gland releases which hormone? Very good, Sachin. I'm very impressed. Okay, others. See, there are two pituitary hormones, LH and FSH. We are talking about follicular phase. Then which hormone should be released here? Very good, Soumya. Other people? Anyone? दो हो गए, सिर्फ दोनों ने आंसर किया है. Very good, Monisha. So this is nothing but FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. So this follicle stimulating hormone will stimulate the growth of follicles in the ovary. Okay, so growth of follicles in the ovary will be stimulated by the follicle stimulating hormone. Now, these follicles that are produced, they will have the granulosa cells, and these cells will give rise to a hormone called as estrogen. So this induced in the estrogen will furthermore help in the thickening of the endometrium lining. So this endometrium thickening will be happening or started to happen in the uterus. Okay, so this is the thickening that is started in the proliferation phase. Okay, this is what. Now what happens? Even here also there is a negative feedback will be there. Okay, in the last class I had given a total 1 feedback. Okay, but यहाँ पे भी क्या हो सकता है? This estrogen, let me write that in the red color. Here also what happens, if the estrogen is released in the larger amounts, this estrogen will also give the negative feedback saying to the thalamus, बेटा तुम अभी कम gonadotropin release करो. अगर वो कम gonadotropin release करेगा, then pituitary gland will also in return secrete little or lesser amount of FSH. So lesser amount of FSH means everything will be then regulated. So this estrogen is giving the negative feedback saying that, come on, enough amount of estrogen is made, now you stop secreting furthermore. For whom? For both president and prime minister. Okay. So this is actually the thing happen where in the follicular phase. Now what happens? Now this estrogen, okay, this estrogen also indicates, or you can say also again pokes the anterior. This again pokes anterior pituitary gland for whom? For the release of what? Now we are talking about ovulation. Come on, check bolte raho na ekdam fast. Say in the this one chat box. Very good, Soumya, Sachin. Yes. Now this anterior pituitary gland is got signal from the estrogen saying that now follicles are done. So our inside follicle, secondary oocyte is now ready for the ovulation. That means this anterior pituitary hormone gland will release a hormone called as luteinizing hormone. It will release the luteinizing hormone, also called as LH. Okay, also called as LH. Okay, now this LH will actually help in the release of secondary oocyte. Release of secondary oocyte from mature Graafian follicle in return out of the ovary. Release of secondary oocyte from ovary. Okay, so this part is actually referring to the ovulation. So in ovulation, what is happening? If I write in the bold terms, here there should be the surge of LH. देखना बेटा इस surge of LH ना बहुत दूर तक आएगा. बता रही हूँ आपको. Surge of LH is related with the ovulation. Now what happens? Now this luteinizing hormone. Okay, so this luteinizing hormone that is released will again, furthermore, let me change the ink. So here, this luteinizing hormone is again released from the pituitary gland. ठीक है? तो यहाँ से बेटा, तो यही हार्मोन ले लो या यहाँ से ले लो, जहाँ से लेना है लो, ठीक है? तो एक हार्मोन है that is luteinizing hormone. So this luteinizing hormone is also helping the corpus luteum. Okay, so it is helping the corpus luteum to release two hormones. Which are those two hormones? Come on, tell in the chat box. See, few people might be thinking that Ghazala madam is wasting time. I'm telling you, I'm not wasting time. I'm revising. This is really necessary for you. No Nandesh, no think. Corpus, very good Sachin. Corpus luteum will give or secrete which hormones? Corpus luteum is, poked, or you can say, activated by luteinizing hormones. So here that will be progesterone and estrogen. Okay, here also that progesterone and estrogen will actually help in the endometrium thickening. यहाँ पे भी endometrium का thickening हो रहा ही था. I hope you remember that flow chart. Okay, so thickening will be there. This is happening in the endometrium. So that again, progesterone and estrogen is actually responsible for the maintaining of pregnancy, I told you, which is released by the corpus luteum. Okay, so this corpus luteum से जो release हुआ है progesterone and estrogen, this will again give the negative feedback if they are excreted in the larger amounts. If that is excreted in the larger amount, then it will give signal to the anterior pituitary gland saying that, come on, you stop secreting LH now, enough amount of O and P is formed. O is estrogen, P is progesterone. Okay, so this. So sometimes what happens along with these two hormones, there's another hormone released called as inhibin. Okay, there's another hormone released called as inhibin. This inhibin will also give the negative feedback for both hypothalamus and pituitary gland. That will also do. These two will also do. Okay. So now I hope you understood the things very beautifully. So do you have any doubts related with the hormone? Anything related with the hormone? Anyone? If you have any doubts, you can ask me now. If you don't have any doubts, then let's move ahead. Okay. So as I had told you, at the time of pregnancy, corpus luteum is maintained, right? I will write here. So pregnancy, maintenance of corpus luteum. So I didn't tell you who gives the signal for maintaining the corpus luteum. So क्या होता है बेटा? Now once again briefly, no Harsha, बेटा मैंने बहुत बोल दिया. Ma'am, if the sperms keep on secreting, it have any problems or infections? Sperms secrete from where? You mean ejaculation, Jagasutan? See, ejaculation should happen in a limited amount. Okay, so if you, I know that ejaculation gives the sexual arousal, but still that should happen in the limited number. Okay, एकदम ज़्यादा भी हो गया तो effective है. It will be effective for your body. Negative effective, I'm saying. If you are, not at all ejaculating, means see, masturbation is also a good, healthy habit. Okay, some people say that it's a sin and all those things that are there, but still what I'm saying is the masturbation in a limited amount is good for your health and your entire psychological health. Okay, so you should keep that in mind, that not the masturbation should not exceed, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा करने लगोगे तो प्रॉब्लम आ जाएंगे. Okay, ma'am, how does the coordinated release of ova takes place? Like, see, those happens, Maulya. Our body is made like that. Okay, so our body will, maybe there might be communication happening between. See, neurons are present everywhere. Okay, so there might be communication. So yes, Maulya, they'll come to know. Okay, so last time from the left, VOVA is released. Now from the right, so left, right, wo chalte rehta hai. Now if sperms continuously in testes, see Jagasutan, sperms will be continuously forming in the testes. Okay, 24/7 sperms are formed in the testes, but they are stored in the epididymis and in the ampulla. At the time of ejaculation, through the ejaculatory duct, it is released out. Okay. Ma'am, in last slide, in minors, along with endometrium, ovum should also ejaculate. What? In last slide, in minors, along with endometrium. Right? Seriously, Monisha, I didn't understand your question. And that is a very big question. I'm really wasting the time now. You do one thing, Beta, just give me a message in WhatsApp. Okay, so I'll answer your question there. I really didn't understand. Even though I read that, I didn't understand. Okay, if hypothalamus is damaged, the whole process will continue. No, Nandish, no. See, you might have heard about people getting into coma and all that stuff. तो क्या होता है बेटा वहां पे सब वहां पे यही होता है. ठीक है, तो हाइपोथैलेमस अगर प्रॉपर्ली फंक्शन नहीं हो रहा है तो दूसरी चीजें नहीं फंक्शन करेंगी. Okay, so if they function also, they'll not be very effective. Right. So I was saying in the pregnancy, corpus luteum is maintained so that it should release the hormone progesterone. है ना? So I didn't tell you one more thing. Okay, when the lady gets pregnant and after the implantation, okay, pregnancy and after the implantation, there is a layer formed in the uterine, in the uterus. Okay, जब implantation बनता है बेटा तो वहां पे there will be a formation of a layer called as syncytial trophoblast. Take it down, write it down. Okay, इसको कहीं पे लिख लो बेटा, ये बहुत important है. Okay, somewhere you write it down. Okay, so after implantation, there will be a formation of a layer called as syncytial trophoblast. So this layer will actually give rise to a hormone called as HCG. Okay, so HCG. So this HCG will in return sends the signal. Okay, so this HCG will send the signal to whom it will send the signal. Wait, let me change the color. It will HCG will send the signal to the corpus luteum saying that बेटा तुम still maintain करके रखो because progesterone की जरूरत है. Okay, so did you understand the process? So this is all about pregnancy. If pregnancy happens, okay, the corpus luteum should be maintained so that it has to give rise to the progesterone. Then another point which I told you, in pregnancy implantation occurs. That implantation ke time pe there will be a formation of a layer called as syncytial trophoblast. This I will explain when I'm explaining about the embryonic development. I will tell you there. ओके, एम्ब्रियोनिक डेवलपमेंट जब होता है तो कैसे ये लेयर फॉर्म होता है. ओके, तो उससे HCG आता है. दैट HCG will give the signal to luteum so that you keep maintaining progesterone, releasing or secreting progesterone. So this is how HCG and luteum they work together. Nandish, I will explain that in today's class. But how this prega new stuff works, yeah, I'll explain that. Madam, if woman goes to coma, menstrual cycle happening. Sinchana, as I have told you, hypothalamus is the main king, like worker. Okay, but if it is damaged, like all the processes will be halted. Okay, so coma means what? See, can anybody explain coma? What is HCG hormone? HCG is actually human chorionic gonadotropin. Okay, Hita, so I will write somewhere here, but it's not given here. So wait, let me write in the next slide. In the next slide, I will write that down. Okay, so wahan pe main likh दूँ. So let's continue then. Menstrual fluid. Menstrual fluid is what actually? I was saying about menstrual fluid. There will be a presence of endometrium lining. There will also be presence of secondary oocyte. तो इन सब चीजों के अलावा और क्या-क्या खजाना भरा पड़ा है menstrual fluid में. Okay, so you can see here about half of the menstrual fluid is blood. You can imagine how much amount of menstrual blood is actually lost. Okay, in the blood, in the menstrual fluid. Okay, that is why usually girls will suffer from anemia a lot. Okay, that is why your dietitian, suggests you to have the green leafy vegetables, then carotenoid pigments like papaya, okay, carrots, then this one, what are those? Tomatoes, okay, all these fruits and vegetables you should be having. Okay, तो इससे क्या होता है, anemic condition बहुत कम होता है. And preferably meat. If you are a non-vegetarian, try to indulge meat in your diet once in a week, not more than that. उससे ज्यादा खाने वाले तो बहुत हैं, but उनको छोड़ो बेटा. You just go according to the diet once in a week or twice in a week. Especially for ladies, fish is a very good non-veg. Rather than fish, mutton. Fish or mutton. Don't go for chicken, or some people prefer some other stuff. Those are all banned. No, that's not good. Why I'm saying chicken is not good? Because in chicken you will get only protein. Apart from protein, you don't get much more like nutrients. Okay, so protein वो भी मिलता है चिकन में. Along with that, actually चिकन को बड़ा होने के लिए, okay, जो मुर्गा है, मुर्गे को बड़ा होने के लिए they will give the hormones, right? I had told you they give the injections for the sudden growth in their body. So that will affect your body, and especially girls, I'm saying nowadays obesity is a very common problem because of this only. Okay, so avoid eating those things. So try to eat very organic, fruits or organic vegetables. Those are the main things. Okay, then this blood also contains, see how many nutrients she is losing: sodium, calcium, phosphate, iron, chloride. Okay, so on what extent it is going out, imagine. That's why it is very important to drink the electrol. Electrol, you know, right? ORS. ओके बच्चे बच्चे को पता है बेटा इलेक्ट्रोलाइट क्या होता है, ओआरएस क्या है। ओके तो ये हम ले लो। अगर आपके पास ओआरएस अवेलेबल नहीं है, देन व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू कैन जस्ट डिसॉल्व 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt, not 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of salt along with some lemon juice in the water and drink it. Okay, that will work. That will work as ORS, like the Desi Nuskha. Okay, so this good ORS if you are getting, then you can have it. Okay, then as well as blood, the fluid contains the cervical mucus. I hope you remember, right? The mucus that is extracted from the cervix and also the endometrial tissue. This is important. So along with that, there will be an unfertilized secondary oocytes. Okay, this will also be there, right? So this is about the menstrual fluid. And other than that, I want to give you one more information. Usually in few ladies, like from 40 to 150 ml of menstrual fluid is lost in one time of menses. Okay, so 40 to 150 ml, okay, ml of blood is lost in the menstruation. Okay. Yes. Yes, Jagasutan, menstruation are very painful. Why? Because I told you, right? I was explaining somebody about cramps. I hope you heard that. Those cramps are very painful. When the uterine contracts, it will be very painful. Moreover, the blood is lost. That means endometrium जब shed होता है, at that time the vessels and veins, blood vessels and veins, arteries will be all exposed. When they are exposed, you can imagine such, disrupting or rupturing that exposure will give the enough stomach ache that girl's mood is off. ठीक है, तो बहुत मुश्किल होता है बेटा. So I have given here one image, so you can recognize this. Okay, there are different types of colors in the menstrual fluid. Okay, so which is yours? Okay, if it is little bit whitish, then definitely you are anemic. Okay, मतलब ब्लड ही नहीं है बेटा आपके बॉडी में, हीमोग्लोबिन अमाउंट इज वेरी वेरी लो. Okay, that. Then blood deficiency, that means this also pinkish to yellow refers to that only. Okay, less number of RBC cells in your blood. मैम ये क्या हमें तब से खून खराबा दिखाकर टॉर्चर कर रही हो? So Hans, we are talking about menstrual fluid. मैं क्या करूं? Okay, then this bright red color is actually a healthy one. Then bright red with thick consistency. Some people have very thick consistency that relates with the kidney deficiency. If you find red color fluid with thick consistency, then please consult the doctor immediately. Then maroon color. Okay, so this maroon and this kind of color, this also related with the circulation problem and with the clotting issues. Some girls have clots. Okay, thick clots in the fluid. Okay, so that clot is really not healthy. मतलब छोटा छोटा यहाँ पे वहाँ पे है, then it is okay. But for some people, very big clots will come. Actually, that is really not good. Okay, you have to consult doctor once again. Why? Actually, there is a enzyme or hormone that is responsible, that inhibits the clotting. Okay, like plasmin. Okay, so remember this term. This is very important. Plasmin is the actually hormone. It inhibits the clotting. Okay, it inhibits the clotting of blood. Inhibits the clotting of blood. Clotting of blood. So if there is a less plasmin released in your body, then clotting will be very very high in number. Then यहाँ पे भी कुछ लिखा हुआ है, तो all these things you just read out and try to maintain your good health. Next, there is some menstrual disorders called what? Amenorrhea. So whenever we are talking about menstruation, the first disorder that you need to remember is amenorrhea. I told you in amenorrhea, you're going to see two types. Okay, so one is primary, another one is secondary. So I had explained you that when I'm explaining about the disorders in females. है ना बेटा? So primary amenorrhea is what? This refers to no menses at the time of puberty. No menses at the time of puberty. Matlab, for some girls, at the time of puberty or at the age of puberty, they don't have or they don't undergo menstruation. That means loss of blood will not happen. Actually, these kind of ladies are called as sterile. Okay, so another second, or you can say secondary amenorrhea is refers to that girl has the menstruation cycle. Matlab, menstruation cycle is continuing, but from 3 to 6 months, if there is no menses or there is absence in menses, okay, for 3 2 months absence of menses, this refers to the secondary amenorrhea. So usually primary amenorrhea is very rare in people. Okay, this is very rare, but secondary amenorrhea is kind of very common nowadays. Why? Because of the PCOD. I told you, right? PCOD. What is PCOD or PCOS? I had explained you in the last classes. See, Chetana, for those girls, the hormones will be active little late. Okay, and actually that is good actually, Chetana. If the girl is attaining her puberty in the later days, it is good. Actually, it is good. Okay, the girls who are attaining puberty in the early means they will be having some or other problem. Very good, Deepika. Polycystic ovary syndrome or disorder. Okay, so usually these people suffer from secondary amenorrhea. मतलब उन टाइप के लेडीज को ना 4 months तक 5 months तक periods ही नहीं होते हैं. ठीक है, उन लोगों को क्या करते हैं when they go to the doctors, those doctors will inject the hormones. Okay, they will inject the hormone, and with that hormones, they'll start to balance. Okay, first वो check करते हैं blood लेके क्या क्या hormone है, कौन सा है, कैसा है, all this stuff. Okay, after childbirth, when will the menstrual cycle start? Nandish, that's what I told you, Menak. After childbirth, up to the age of 11 to 15, in some cases up to 16 also. So this is the age group जहाँ पे menstrual cycle start hota hai, Nandish. Okay, so what is dysamenorrhea? Dysamenorrhea is a very painful menstruation, so I must include here term very painful, because painful is common. Very girls, many girls will face the pain and some might not even feel it, but very painful menstruation is referring to the dysamenorrhea. Okay, see, older people say that okay, अगर पेट दर्द होना तो अच्छा है, मतलब बच्चे अच्छे से करेगी, कोई प्रेगनेंसी में कोई कॉम्प्लिकेशन नहीं आएगी. All these are bullshit. This is a very big myth. Okay, so olden people used to say that, but see, a limited amount of ache like stomach ache, back ache, headache is common. Okay, but if you're having a severe pain, मतलब for some ladies, no, from their pelvic region up to the feet, they feel pain. Okay, so that kind of situation is very difficult. Take the medicines, talk to the doctor, and try some desi nuskhas. Okay, like desi nuskha in the sense, let me suggest you something. You can boil, zira, cumin seeds in the water along with 1 teaspoon of ghee for about 15 minutes, and then you drink it. And you sieve the zira, or otherwise you can sieve the zira out and drink the water. It will really help you out. Immediately, the ache will be less. And along with that, keep the hot bags. I hope you know hot bags, right? वो रबर का बैग होता है, उसके अंदर हॉट वाटर डाला हुआ होता है. ओके, उसको पेट के पास, कमर के पास रखो तो रिलीफ होता है. एंड मोर ओवर, कीप ड्रिंकिंग हॉट वाटर टू रिलीव द सेल्स एंड योर माइंड. During pregnancy, can another fertilization occur, ma'am? No, Sachin. During pregnancy, no. That's why, some people actually, I should not say this, but some of the doctors suggest that during pregnancy also you can have very light kind of sexual intercourse, but actually that is risky. No, Sachin. Fertilization doesn't happen. So, ma'am, some say that there is no pain during periods. Pain occurs during pregnancy. Is that true? See, pregnancy ke time pe to compulsory 101% the pain will happen. But for menstruation, every girl is different. Okay, every girl is different. Some girls might find only pain. Some girls might find only mood swings. Or that kind of situation will be there. Okay, then monorrhagia. So what is monorrhagia? There will be excessive menstruation, that is excessive loss of blood. Okay, that is there, and Michelle's MERS. So what is this? The small amount of blood is lost at the time of ovulation. Actually, this is really bad. I'm telling you, this is really bad. Why? See, actually, ovulation is the indication for having sexual intercourse. Okay, so at that time, if you find any kind of blood marks or something like that, so with that sexual pleasure की तो धज्जियां उड़ जाएंगी. Along with that, it will be very uncomfortable for both the partners. So now we are going to talk about few important points which are actually needed for your understanding for menstruation. Okay, so I hope you have heard about a term called as OPKs. आपने सुना है OPK? Yes. No, Somo. Menses doesn't happen at the time of pregnancy. Okay, that's what we are studying. Okay, so OPK is actually the ovulation predicting kit. That means, see, if you are a educated woman, then you might not need it. Okay, क्योंकि अभी आपने तो पढ़ लिया है menstrual cycle, आपको पता है from 1 up to like 11th day, and from 12 to 14, 15, 16, from again 16 to 28. So these days, and these days, here you won't get pregnant, here we won't get pregnant. Possibility of getting pregnant is from 12 to 16 day. Okay. So how you can count this monthly cycle? Menses ka first day. Okay, menses ka first day is actually the first day of monthly cycle. Okay, so here you can just count it down. So from 1 to 11 day, the ovary will be doing folliculogenesis. The egg is not completely mature. Okay, or you can say the graphene follicle is not mature, so there is no secondary oocyte out. So here, this is actually the ovulation time. Okay, so this place is actually, this area is called as fertile duration. This is called as fertile phase. Matlab common people call it as fertile phase. So this phase, the chances of pregnancy is very high. That's why doctors suggest the people who are planning for baby, so they should have sexual intercourse from the duration between 12 to 16. From 16 to 20th, again, okay, so this is also not possible. Why? Because the progesterone level will be going down, and also the secondary oocyte will be leaving the site of fertilization. मतलब ampulla and isthmus का जो junction है, or in the ampulla is actually the site of fertilization. So by this time, what happens? The secondary oocyte will be already present in the uterus. In the uterus, if there is a sperm also, if there is a sperm also, the ovulation, sorry, the fertilization is very rare. Okay, it's really not possible. Okay, तो ये सब चीजें हो जाती हैं. So for the uneducated people like they who cannot count their fertile days, for them there is another new technology called as ovulation predicting kit. So here what happens? Usually this kit works by how it checks the LH levels. Okay, so it checks the LH level. So what is LH? LH is nothing but luteinizing hormone. So it checks the luteinizing hormone levels in the body. Okay, So along with that, in the ovulation predicting period, there might be also a possibility of temperature. So along with that, so temperature also matters. I had told you, right? Temperature. So from ovulation up to the end of luteal phase, okay, up to the end of luteal phase, what happens? The temperature will be high, okay, up to here. So high temperature. Why? I had told you that progesterone is hormone that is affected by the temperature. मतलब प्रोजेस्टेरॉन जो हार्मोन है ना वो टेम्परेचर को अफेक्ट करता है. Okay, along with that, जो mood swings होते हैं, that also is influenced by the progesterone. Okay, so temperature. So high temperature is because of the progesterone. Okay, so here's the color. Everything is looking red. Okay, so this is actually related with the progesterone. Okay, so OPK work like this. Okay, so luteinizing hormone जो है बेटा उसका. Now, what is Gravityx test? So I hope you have seen this Prega news and all this stuff. So उसमें क्या होता है? So there will be a device. Okay, so there will be a device. So what is that device? So who is asking red is dangerous now? Yeah, actually red is called as danger color. Yeah. So here there will be a sack like this. So I had watched this in one of the YouTube channels. So here what happened, it will be somewhat like this. So here you should be dropping your urine sample. The urine sample should be the first sample collected in the early morning. ठीक है, अर्ली मॉर्निंग का फर्स्ट सैंपल को कलेक्ट करके उसको यहाँ पे आपने एक पिपेट के थ्रू, एक पिपेट जैसा कुछ होता है, ड्रॉपर पिपेट जो भी है, उसको वहां पे डालना होता है. Okay, so this will pass. Okay, this will pass through here. It will be little like a paper thing. Okay, so the mechanism is like a paper thing. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है बेटा? If one line appears, then it is negative. Okay, if two lines appear, then it is positive. Okay, it works somehow like this. So somebody asked me, ma'am, how Prega news works. It works like this. Okay, so here the main hormone that is helping is HCG. Okay, what is HCG? Human chorionic gonadotropin. Human chorionic gonadotropin. Okay, so this is the hormone that actually helps in the recognition of being pregnant or not. So this is very handy now. Nowadays, all the ladies carry it and it has become very easier. But what happens if you don't know how to use this? Still today, people go to the doctor and what they will do, they will extract the blood and urine both at a time. And through the blood also, they will recognize the HCG hormone. Why? From urine also, sometimes you might get the errors. That means even if you are pregnant, it might show negative. Why? क्योंकि यूरिन तक HCG पास होने में टाइम लगता है, बट ब्लड में बहुत जल्दी रिजल्ट्स अच्छे मिल जाते हैं बेटा. दैट्स व्हाई द ब्लड टेस्ट विल गिव द always positive results and 100% results. Okay, so this is done by the hormone HCG, right? Now, so I had told you about the clots. Okay, so clot is very easy. I told you that is plasmin, hormone, or you can say enzyme. This actually inhibits. Okay, if you are seeing any bigger kind of clots or something like that, you should directly visit the doctor. Please do not ignore. Why I'm saying this is sometimes those clots is not going out of the body, but they will remain in the uterus, and that becomes the reason for formation of cancer and tumor. Sometimes uterus cancer happens. So these things are happening by this. Okay, so plasmin inhibits the blood clotting. I told you, right, Yogesh? Worry. If it is positive, it will show two lines here. Two lines. Negative means one line. Okay, so two line, one line. Right. So this is about the clots. Then what about sexual activity, ma'am? So at the time of menstruation, do we have sex? No. Why? Why we should not prefer having sex? See, it will not happen, but it is not hygienic along with that. Okay, it is not, prescribed. क्यों? क्योंकि बेटा at the time of endometrium shedding, the blood vessels and veins will be like that exposed only. Okay, so they will be exposed when the penis is inserted in the vagina. That means penis will have microorganisms. Okay, don't think like मैम क्या बोल रही है. देखो बेटा आपके सारे skin में there will be microorganisms. You don't know it. Okay, there will be some videos in the YouTube. You go and watch them. Microorganisms on the skin. Okay, there will be plenty of the microorganisms, traveling on the skin, on your eyes, on your mouth. Mouth with a billion and trillions of them. Okay, so like that, all over body. So why not penis? In penis also they'll have microorganisms. So वो microorganisms जब enter करेंगे vagina में, then it will cause lot of health issues, infections, okay, diseases, मतलब bacterial and fungal problems. तो ये सब कुछ बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है बेटा. So some people, can't find, really comfortable at this time. Please avoid having sexual activity. Moreover, you should take care of your girl. Okay, so girls are recommended for having, mental calmness. Okay, if you're a husband of any girl, so सुना अच्छे से ख्याल रखो बेटा instead of doing this shitty things. Then hygiene comes first, because see, if you're not properly keeping hygiene, means again infections will occur. Why? Because see, your mouth, your eyes, and your vaginal opening, or vaginal and also this one urethral opening, from where it is very easy to enter the bacterial and the fungal spores, right? Bacteria, fungal spores, and anything like that. So if you are keeping same pad for a whole day or the 2 days, then what happens? Obviously, it's a blood. So blood में क्या होता है बेटा? वहाँ पे it's like a nutrition for the microorganism. तो वहाँ पे वो आएंगे, कॉलोनी बनाएंगे, तुमको इन्फेक्शन करके जाएंगे. ठीक है? So health and hygiene is very important. So nowadays, actually, rather than pads, menstrual cups are in the trend. Okay, menstrual cups are in the trend. So some people think that, ma'am, if I insert a menstrual cup in my body, will it not be a harmful? See, nothing will happen. Why? Because it will come in sizes, small, medium, and large. Okay, so small size are for those people who are actually not sexually active, like teenager girls who are unmarried girls, not sexually active. For them, small size is recommended. And okay, then medium size is recommended for those people who are sexually active, but they have not given birth to any baby. मतलब pregnant नहीं हुए हैं, लेकिन sexually active हैं. वैसे ladies को medium use करना चाहिए. Then who should use large? These large should be used by the ladies who have given birth to 1 or 2 kids. Okay, and they are also sexually very active. For those ladies, like married women, उनके लिए large preferred है. Okay, and don't think that if I insert this, okay, what about virginity, ma'am? See, I had already told you hymen is not at all the indicator of virginity. So even though you do some work or physical activity, it will be ruptured. So don't worry about that. Just think about the hygiene. So this cup will be reusable. Okay, isko you have to insert this inside the vagina. Like usko you can watch the YouTube videos for more how to use this. So you can keep this inside the vagina, and again after you fills up, you can just clean it up, and again with the you can recycle it or reuse it. Okay, while cleaning, you can use the hot water also. Okay, this is a very good trend that is happening now, much hygienic. Okay, then menstrual fluid preservation. So what is it? See, at the time of menstrual fluid, half of the fluid is blood, right? So what if we can, preserve this blood, and we can, उसको थोड़ा purify करेंगे by removing all the unnecessary things like endometrium tissues and cells and secretions, mucus. After we remove all those things, what we get is a blood. So this blood we can preserve so that many of the lives can be saved. Okay, actually, this is a new technology that is recently, happening in the India. So actually, this is good. Okay, after you remove all the impurity, what you get is a blood. So why not use it? Okay. So this is about the a few points that I wanted to mention. So one more thing I wanted to tell you is how to check the day of ovulation. Okay, so nobody asked me. Okay, still I'm saying this. How to check date or day of ovulation. So 28 का 28 days का अगर ideal है तो उसमें कोई problem नहीं है. For 28 days, it's 14. Okay, so it is like that. But what about 35 days? What about 35 days? So there is a formula here for this. Let me write the formula for you. Okay, so number of days in a cycle, number of days in cycle, like for example, for some people 30, for some people 35, for some people 53. Okay, so this minus 14 will give you the day of ovulation. Ovulation day. Okay, so this is the basic formula that you can apply. Please remember this. Okay, कुछ लोग क्या गलती करते हैं मैं तुमको बताती हूँ. कुछ लोग क्या गलती करते हैं पता है? अच्छा 28 days को 14 है तो 35 को कितने दिन ऐसे 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 काउंट करके वो कुछ डाल देते हैं 18 or something like that. Okay, so if for example let me take अगर आपका days of cycle is 38 मतलब 38 days तक आपका end होता है and again on the 39th day new cycle starts, then 38 minus 14. So what is the day? Come on, subtract it and tell me in the chat box. I'll write here. Sometimes women prepone or postpone their periods by consuming templates. Okay, so 24th day is the ovulation day. Okay, so like this you need to count. Okay, so somebody asked me, ma'am, how girls take the pills and they can prepone and postpone. See, those pills will have progesterone hormone. Okay, those pills will have progesterone hormone. If that hormone is taken, that hormone is intook with the form of tablets, so progesterone hormone is maintained. ओके तो वो पिल क्या करता है बेटा, प्रोजेस्टेरोन हार्मोन को मेंटेन करता है सो दैट कि उसको पोस्टपोन करें. ओके, यूजुअली पोस्टपोन को लेते हैं सिंचना, प्रीपोन को बहुत कम लोग लेते हैं, पोस्टपोन को लेते हैं यूजुअली. सो दैट विल हेल्प इन द prolongation of the progesterone hormone. So when after 2 days what happens, again progesterone level will go down and the periods will happen. Okay, like this. So similarly, vice versa for the prepone, what happens? For the prepone, FSH hormone will be consumed. So something like that. Usually prepone नहीं होता है बेटा, कोई भी tablets मैंने नहीं देखे हैं prepone के. Postpone is there. मैम PCOD से facial hair आते हैं. Yes अथर्वा, yes अथर्वा, yes. PCOD is a hormonal imbalance where girls will suffer from the having lot of hair in their face. Facial hair will be there. Okay, is it healthy? No, it is definitely not healthy. Why? Because you are variating your natural cycle. That is definitely not good. Okay, consuming tablets is not at all prescribed. अब अभी कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा emergency है तो तब कुछ ले सकते हो, वो भी एक बार. And problem with that tablet is only one tablet is applicable for one day. If I want to postpone it for one day, one tablet, you have to postpone for the another day. On the second day, again you have to take another tablet. So it works only for one day. Okay, so there is a interesting fact given on your screen. Atharva, the hair will be like permanent only, beta. Okay, but there are new laser techniques and all these things are there. But see, if you treat your hormonal imbalance by taking all the precautions or the tablets given by the doctor, the hair might get reduced. Okay, because there is also cycle of hair. Hair का भी follicle होता है, उसका भी cycle है. तो eventually वो गिर जाते हैं बेटा. अथर्वा, they will fall off. They will fall off and new hair will not grow. Okay, new hair will not grow. Okay. So what is real, Arun? What I'm talking is everything is real. Okay, so this is the interesting fact that I wanted to tell you. Actually, this was happening in the ancient times. Like in the ancient days, people used to think that this menstrual cycle, or you can say the menstrual blood, the first extracted menstrual blood उसको they used to ward off demons. Ward off demons मतलब shooing off. Okay, to remove demons. Okay, remove demons from any person or from any possessed building, like possessed person or haunted building. तो वहां पे जाके क्या करते थे ये लोग, पुराने जमाने के लोग, I'm talking about the older people. So what they used to do, they used to go and sprinkle this menstrual blood all over the walls of the home. So they used to think that ah abhi paak ho gaya sab. It's a really uh, I mean very bad thing, but yeah, it is to happen. Intrauterine devices. Nandish, IUD is intrauterine devices, and its function I will tell you when I'm talking about the reproductive health. Abhinay. Okay. So people thought that in the olden days, with the use of menstrual blood, they can ward off demons. Along with that, some people used to make a love charms. मतलब कुछ गले में बांधने का ऐसा, या कुछ हाथ में पहनने का, or sometimes there will be people for that, like wizards or somebody like that. So all I'm talking is a fake. Okay, this is like it used to happen in the ancient times, but does not work. This is really, it doesn't have any scientific proof. Okay, so some people what they used to make love potions. मतलब एक बॉटल में कुछ उनका मंत्र मंत्र पढ़ के कुछ पोशन बना के दे दिए, जो बंदे को तुम्हारे प्यार में पागल करना चाहती हो उसको पिला दो. That person will go and what he will do, in a very beautiful and tasty juice में ये मिला दिया पोशन, खला के दे दिया. Now that person is जोर का गुलाम. This kind of things happen. So I hope you know what are love potions, right? If you are a very Disney fan, then there will be a fairy godmother. Ah, yes, you and Harry Potter में बहुत कुछ होता होता. Okay, so then people also thought, मतलब it's thought that it will cure plague. Okay, people also thought that it will cure plague, which is definitely wrong. Nowhere related with that. क्योंकि plague तो बेटा उस time पे हुआ था. Very very many what's that? बहुत सारे सालों के पीछे है. Plague नहीं है. Okay, so उस time पे हुआ था. तो उस time पे लोग what they used to do, they used to take this menstrual blood and apply near their home. And एक बैग बना के menstrual blood को अटका देते थे, so that plague should not enter their home. So something like that weird activities they used to do. Okay, but which is really not scientifically true. Okay, so yeah, Nadesh, it used to happen there. Yeah. Okay, so there's a question on the screen. Which of the following indicates pregnancy? Lack of menstruation, occurrence of menstrual flow, when released ovum is not fertilized, when graphene follicle matures and endometrium regenerates through proliferation. I'm launching the poll for this question. Very easy question once again. Please think and answer. Yes, people from YouTube. Very good. Ashwin. What about Gopika and Anu? Anu is absent today. Likit Vardhan is, what are you asking, beta? At least ask the question. If you give me a question mark, what should I answer? Arun, please look over the options once again and then answer. Okay, so last 5 seconds. Okay, guys, I'm winning the poll. Very good, Arun. Very good. Is it correct? Are you talking about the last slide? Beta, it used to happen in the last, ancient days and in the very olden days. But nowadays, nobody does that. But still, I have seen in few movies. I don't know if it's true or not. But while black magic is done right, I don't know that. Some people I have seen in the movies that for the black magic they use this stuff like menstrual blood and hair and something, or I don't know. Yeah. वो सब होता है बेटा. I don't believe in such things. Okay, so yeah. Okay, Likit, we'll discuss that. Okay, so 90% people are chosen A option. Arun, don't go out of the meeting, okay? So what is this? Which of the following indicates pregnancy? This is very easy question. Yes, yes, Gopika, you are correct. So what it is? Lack of menstruation. Yes. If the menstruation is missing, then you can indicate yes, I might be a pregnant. Actually, this is correct. But let's look at the other options. Occurrence of menstrual flow. See, menstrual flow will happen when the fertilization didn't happen. Okay, fertilization. अरे मैंने दो बार लाई लिख दिया. एक सेकेंड. Fertilization. Okay, so no fertilization. At that time, what happens? No chances of getting pregnant, and then the menstrual flow is done. Okay, so this is wrong. Actually, it is opposite of what question is asking. Okay, so when released ovum is not fertilized, again, same thing. No, beta, this is also wrong. Then, when Graafian follicle matures, endometrium regenerates through proliferation. See, endometrium generates, yeah, that is correct. But regenerates, why it would regenerate? Because you know, right? So at the time of pregnancy only, the endometrium thickening will be happening. Okay, that will start from the follicular phase and it will continue. Okay, so if there is a progesterone hormone, then thickening will maintain. Otherwise, it will be dropped down as the menstrual fluid. So here we is saying, other than that, Graafian follicle mature. See, if Graafian follicle mature, this will be related with the ovulation, but not with the pregnancy. Okay, here they're asking about indicate of pregnancy. So D is also not the option. A is the answer for this question. Okay, guys. So I hope this was a very easy question. And thank you for your presence in the meeting. I have launched the NPS feedback poll. Please give your valuable feedback. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me both in the YouTube and also in the Zoom. If you have any doubts related with the menstruation, how to count the number of ovules, sorry, ovulation, you have understood that, right? The formula. Okay. So this might be asked in need. Okay. So there is a 38 days of cycle, monthly cycle. So which is the day of ovulation? There you have to put the formula and you have to find out the ovulation. Okay. So yes. Yes, Nandish. Yeah. So I just took an example like that. They might ask any other things. Okay, Ashwin, thank you for your presence. Okay. So, ma'am, are tampons harmful? No, Molly, tampons are not harmful, but they are like very comfortable and hygienic compared to the normal menstrual pads. Okay, because what happens in the pad? Okay, although there are several variety of pads, the longer pads with the wings. So chances of getting leakage is very lot. Okay, other than that, one more thing is there as the size bigger, the bigger size is there, right? अभी तो extra large, large सब type के आ गए हैं. तो इसमें क्या होता है बेटा? You will tend to keep that pad for more than 24 hours. Then what happens? It will cause the infections and the disorders. I told you, right? So blood will be there. Blood means it is the food for many organisms. Okay, तो वो फूड लेने के लिए सारे आके वहां पे कॉलोनाइज करेंगे और अपना घर बसा लेंगे, तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या होगा? तुमको इन्फेक्शन हो जाएंगे. ओके, सो दैट इज वन थिंग. या सो आई वाज सेइंग वन मोर थिंग, आई फॉरगॉट. I was saying something else. Oh, so well, this is your homework. Suppose if in first month fertilization occurs and women get pregnant, further months is there no ovulation? Sachin, that's what I said. Okay, so ovulation will not happen. Why? For occurring of ovulation, FSH hormone is necessary. Anabita. So if the lady got fertilized and she's pregnant, means the level of FSH will be less. Then follicles doesn't grow. If follicles doesn't grow, then mature graphic follicle is not formed. Then that is not releasing the secondary oocyte. So it works like that. Okay, and then progesterone is also maintained. Yeah. Ma'am, does it intake of steroids affect the menses? Definitely, Jeevan. Definitely, steroids will affect the your overall health and also the menstrual fluid. I mean the menstruation. सब कुछ affect करता है. Okay. So, madam, sometimes period not happen for 2 to 3 months. What is the reason for that? How to recover? See, for 2 to 3 months means there might be a stress. Okay, stress. See, one of the biggest reason in today's century is stress and depression. Many girls might look happy on the outside, but they are depressed. Okay, and lack of good diet, not having proper diet, watching a lot of these devices like laptops and these phones. तो sorry ये सारी चीजें ना बेटा बहुत प्रॉब्लम देती हैं. Along with that, hormones imbalance and good sleep. ठीक है बेटा, ये सारे चीजें तो इसको ना एक लाइफ में वे बनाना होता है. You have to make a good proper scheduling or a discipline in your life so that everything will be recovered. Okay, in the adverse cases, if still you are not having improv, still if you are suffering from imbalanced menstrual cycle, then directly recommend the doctor. Okay, because this might be a reason for PCOD. I told you right, PCOS or PCOD वो reason हो सकता है. उसके अलावा कोई formation of cyst हो सकता है या फिर clotting will be there, so something might be a reason. Okay, so that is why if you're not occurring, then directly you have to. Okay, so I hope the time is done. I'm ending the poll. I'm ending the meeting now. Okay, so take care of yourself. Okay, till then, love yourself. Ma'am, how can I get YouTube link? Arun, just ping me. I will send you the link. Just ping me. I'll send you the link. There you will be having all the previous this one links. YouTube links पुराने वहाँ पे सारे हैं. मतलब अभी के लिए हाँ, I can give you one more this one option. अभी ना actually YouTube में videos upload होने के लिए थोड़ा time लगेगा. So till then what you can do, you can watch the YouTube videos which are actually launched. मतलब यहाँ पे जो YouTube में videos गए हैं ना बेटा, उसको तुम लोग देख सकते हैं. Okay, so yes, Suhas, I have watched the John English movie, both the two parts, mostly funny. I love them watching. Okay, guys, take care. Bye. Bye. So tomorrow we'll start the fertilization. Okay. Oh, is it Arun? Okay, my sincere love to all of those people. My sincere love. Okay, Arun, just ping me a WhatsApp. WhatsApp में मुझे hi message कर दो बेटा. I'll send you the link. Okay, hello. Take care. Bye bye. Now, what are you studying? Sinchana, right now, I'm I'm not studying, beta. I'm fully working in Avanti. Okay, I'm just helping you guys to achieve your dreams. Okay, so क्या कहते हैं? Right now, I'm concentrating on JRF. Okay, there's an exam called as National Eligibility Test for Junior Research Fellowship. So I'm concentrating for that. As soon as I clear my JRF, I'm going to start off my studies with the PhD. I'll go for the PhD. So ये सब चीजें होने हैं. So till now I'm working and I'm enjoying the work. Okay? मैम आज आपने स्पेक क्यों नहीं पहना है? सोमो मैं भूल गई यार, बाहर रखा हुआ. Now what have you studied? Okay, since actually time is done, I cannot continue the YouTube live and recording. Okay, I'll answer on another day. Okay, chalo, bye bye.